What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, y'all. So first things first, my voice is like gone, so I hope you guys can bear with me. I had a little fun last night with my friends and whatnot, so yeah, but today is Christmas Eve, so happy holidays, everybody. I hope you guys can all have a great Christmas and whatnot. I'm stoked. As you could tell in those first few clips, the hard pipe kit from Darkside Developments showed up, and I am stoked to finally fix this. We're gonna dive right into it, and just like I'll show you guys like what happened. You should be able to kind of see on camera the crack and like where the tab that holds the main intercooler piping, it like broke off that tab, so there's like a giant hole in the intercooler pipe. So yeah, the car's like in limp mode and whatnot, so hopefully today we're gonna get that taken care of. So yeah, let's just get to it. As you guys can tell, it's not very nice at all today either. It was literally just dumping, so I'm hoping these clouds can go away and that sun or clear sky can come out so I can get this done without getting dumped on. But let's dive in here and see if I can't zoom into this crack. It might not focus very well, but this whole tab is broken off right there, and you can kind of see it, like it's like that dark outer line. Yeah, but there's like also like there's like a crack like all the way across the top of it right there. I don't know how well you guys could see that, but it's literally like, you can hear me running my finger over it. And then no, it's not this part of the pipe, it's this part right here. Yeah, there's a huge crack all the way down it. And I think what happened was when I put the dog bone mount in, it literally, like, my engine moved and whatnot, and it most likely cracked that pipe, because that pipe is held to the block right here. And yeah, obviously the intercooler is held by pipes and stuff. So I don't know, honestly, maybe just over time it just was said goodbye. I don't know, but yeah, I got that hard pipe, so we're gonna replace that one today. And yeah, I'm gonna go grab everything, run it down. I'm just making sure I grab all the tools that I'm gonna need. I should only need like a flathead and whatever else to move that tab, and then this honestly just lifts up, and then pull that out of the way, and I'll be able to pull it right out. Cracked it more when I threw it on the ground and pulled it out because I was so tired of it. But yeah, she's done for. Alrighty, y'all. So as you can tell, winter is definitely upon us. We got some snow. It's not the next day, but it's the next day. Yeah, it's the 26th. And I'm gonna finish this video off today, and I'm gonna post it today. So again, I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. It's literally still snowing right now. But literally, I'm ecstatic. I'm gonna pop the hood real quick. I'm gonna show you guys the final, like the hard pipe installed, obviously. But yeah, I'm hyped, man. The car is running great, and it rips. And honestly, it sounds crazy. Like, I did not expect the that pipe to make more, like, way more turbo noises. And like it's literally pretty insane, honestly. So yeah, let's just pop the hood and we'll get right to it. There she is. Don't mind the mess. I honestly need to clean this engine bay really good, but hard pipe is installed. I'm all beat up from yesterday, the day before, putting that thing in, dude. My hands are done for, man. Ugh. But I'm stoked. It's in there. And yeah, I'm hyped. I'm probably gonna, you know, just like go for a good rip in the snow somewhere and find something to do. Cause yeah, I'm stoked. And I'll probably just grab some cinematics or something and end off this video properly for you guys. Also, I have the other pipe that goes from this coupler right here. And then it goes down and it has the MAF or whatever connected to it. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, but it goes down that way. So I have that pipe to put in another time as well. So I'm stoked with that. But again, I'll have this kit linked down below if you guys want to pick it up or whatever. But seriously, I'm really, really liking this hard pipe kit. It's awesome, honestly. This dog bone mount is crazy, you guys. I did not expect it to be like this, but she's certified race car. Bro, it's honestly actually really smooth once you get going, but like just when you're just down low, just cruising, it's so harsh, man. Also, at some point here in the next few days, I need to take off that front left wheel and just screw down the bag a little bit more because it doesn't like fully air out like I was saying. And my alignment is a little bit off, but it's not too bad. But I'm gonna go grab a coffee because it's cold, boys. So yeah. Alrighty, y'all. I'm on my way back home now. I hope you guys enjoyed those few little clips that I got. I don't know who said front wheel drives can't get down, but she definitely rips. No, but seriously, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And yeah, you can just stay tuned for more. Lots of new content coming soon. Alrighty, y'all. That's gonna wrap up this video. I really hope you all enjoyed. And if you made it to the end, thank you very much. It's super cold out here, so I'm gonna try and wrap this up quickly. But honestly, this is probably gonna be the last video of this year. So I really hope you guys all enjoyed this this year's content and whatnot. I'm trying to put out the best content I can. And honestly, I'm really stoked with everything. Of course, I'll leave the hard pipe kit linked down below, as well as the 034 Motorsports dog bone mount. Because I don't think I linked it in the last video. So I'll do that and link it in this video as well. But yeah, man, I am super hyped to have the car back on the road. I'm glad I was able to enjoy the snow a little bit. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn the notifications on down there somewhere. Tune into some great Mark 6 Volkswagen content. And yeah, just stay tuned. Lots more to come. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess we'll see you all next year, and make sure to stay tuned, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.